I'm going to show you how to create flashcards in Quizlet. It's actually super fun and super easy, so let's jump straight in. So we're going to start with our flashcards here on the home page. You'll go up to the right hand side and you'll see the plus icon. Here you can click on this. You can create then a flashcard set. Now you've got two options. First of all, you're going to go and click on create them yourself, and this is where you can individually have some more control and some more input options. So here you will give it a title as well as a description, and then here you can import, and you can also create from notes, or you can just go and do them individually. Okay, and if you're doing your terms as well as your definitions individually, you'll have the option to add an image in over here. You can click down here and just move them up and down and about. But if you're going and importing, so let's just go again through this process. So let's go flashcard set, and then let's just generate from an upload. And here you will put in your data. You can paste your text. You can also paste a file from your computer or from Google Drive. Now what I've done is I have my data over here in a Microsoft Excel sheet. What you want to do is click down, hold in Shift, and select everything that you need, right? So all of your data, terms as well as definitions. Control C to copy. Let's go back here. Control V to paste. Now it looks messy, but right now we're going to click on Start Transforming, and it's literally going to do all the work for you. So it's going to take your information, and with its AI, it will be able to tell what are terms, what are definitions, and then also match them up appropriately. So within a few seconds, you will now see this screen over here. Over here, you can see it's given a title, so musical terms, and then you can see down over here, it's got your actual flashcards. Once you click on it, you can see that it turns over to its definition. You can also see here, you can run through the cards. Here you can track your progress. You can play all 5 of them or however many you have. You can shuffle them and then also full screen it. And here there are a few other settings and options that you can change, such as the style of the font, and then have a look at some keyboard shortcuts and enable text to speech. All right, so once you go a little bit down, you'll see some more information, and over here you can edit, you can view progress, you can share, and then these 3 dots give you some more options, as you can see, including delete, print, and a few other things. And there you go, you have now successfully made flashcards in Quizlet.